All right, guys. So welcome back. This is level 7 of lesson 6, random numbers. As you can see, it is purple, which means that this is an assessment. So what I'll do is I'll read the directions, might look for a tip or trick or two, and then I'm going to read the rubric, and then I'm going to hush and let you guys try this. So it says rainbow snake. Alexis is working on a program to draw a rainbow snake that wiggles each time it's run. She's started the program but needs help finishing. Do this. Run the program several times to see how the starter code works. Add at least 3 new different colored circles to your rainbow snake. Use random number to make the rest of the snake's body move up and down like the first 3. Challenge, can you make the size of some of the circles random too? All right, so that's kind of cool. So right now, if we just run it, we see 3, 3. All right, and you can see it wiggling a little bit. It'll be more apparent when we add more circles, but that's your job. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Um, let's go look at the rubric. So, all right, so the rubric is how you're going to get your grade. So if we look here at the bottom, we're going to start with the worst, which is not you. This is what we don't want to see. So it says no evidence. No student produced circles or any new circles share a color or horizontal position with circles produced by the original code. So if you do that, then no evidence. So we're going to close that because you're going to do better than that, I promise. Limited evidence. At least one student created circle has a new color, has a different horizontal position than any others, but appears disconnected from the rest of the snake due to an overly wide range for the random number. All right, so if you put a circle here, that's a different color, good job, except they need to be connected. So you got to figure out how to do that. All right, so convincing evidence. At least one student created circle has a new color, appears at a random vertical position, and has a different horizontal position than any others. I'm assuming that it needs to be connected as well. And then last but not least, extensive evidence, which is what we want to see. That gets you the 100, the A plus, all of that. So it says there are at least 6 circles with reasonable horizontal positions, different colors, and appear at random vertical positions. So if you do that, you get the A. Great job. Pat on the back. And with that, before I go, actually, let's look at the code because a lot of times students will not read the grade comments, and they're so important. So it says add at least 3 new different colored circles to your rainbow snake. Use random number to make the rest of the snake's body move up and down like the first 3. So that's your task. That's what the assessment's asking for. So with that, I will hush and let you work, and I will see you on level 8. Up. Trying to go to the next one, but, I didn't do it yet, so it's telling me, "No, keep working." Alright. Good luck, everybody.